Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and we just want to make a quick unboxing and review video of this Ekster Tracker card. In full disclosure, Ekster did send us this tracker for a review, but all opinions I'm about to share are my own. Alright, so as you can see, just like the wallet, it comes in a very sleek looking box that you can open by sliding out from the top like this. This is the tracker card itself. As you can see, it has a very cool geometric texture on it, and the back panel has instructions for how to get started. In order to actually use the tracker card, you need an app called Chipolo, which I'm going to go ahead and set up and yeah, show you guys what it looks like. After downloading the Chipolo app, setup was really straightforward. All I had to do was hit add device, partner products, Ekster, tracker card, and then pair it with Bluetooth. At least for me, syncing the card only took a matter of seconds. The rest of the process was really straightforward, just following the on-screen instructions. Alright, so as y'all just saw, that was really easy to set up. I literally did that in less than 2 minutes. And after you set it up, not only can you use your phone to ring the tracker card and find your item, but you can actually double tap the button here on the tracker card and it'll ring your phone for you using the app. I've tested and it does work without you having to actively have the app open, which of course makes sense since the case where you use it is when you've lost your phone somewhere. The profile of the card is very slim. It's designed to fit in wallets. I personally will be using it with my aluminum card holder as suggested. But you can of course use it with other items too that are not your wallet. There you go. As you can see, it fits perfectly in this card holder, and it is solar powered. You can see they have the solar powered charging panel right here. Supposedly it can do a full charge in 3 hours and last for a very, very long time. Overall, I would say I'm quite impressed with this card, and yeah, I think it's worth getting as an alternative for AirTags or some items like that you should definitely check out and try out for yourself.